welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed my last video where I made this beautiful headboard that you can see behind me today. And if you guys want to watch that video, I'll put it in the icon button so you guys can check out that video and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. But today we are doing something different. We are making these geometric paperweights or geometric shapes. And I think they're really, really cool, especially in rose gold because that's like my favorite color. Thumbs up if you like rose gold. So basically it's like this paperweight kind of thing, and it's just more for decoration. It's not really for purpose. But because it seems so simple on Pinterest, I'm going to try it out and see how it goes. And also, if I have extra time, I'm also going to do like this tray thing. I bought this like geometric tray to match it. So if I have time, I'll show you guys that in the video. So yeah, let's get to it.
For the first DIY, you're going to need some straws. I just had some tubing and I'm just going to use this, but I don't recommend using the bendy straws. You'll also need a ruler, a pen, some scissors that can cut through your tubing, some wire cutters, gold wire. You can spray paint it if you want to, but I just got gold. You will also need some gold spray paint. And last but not least, you'll need a cardboard box. So the first step in this DIY is to just measure out all the straws, and you just want to cut through the middle. So just measure it and then divide that number by 2. So mine was 14 inches, so I just cut it 7 inches and 7. And then just use your pen to mark it if the ruler isn't long enough. Once you have the middle, just take your scissors and cut down the line. As you can see, these are not even, so just take your scissors and cut off the excess. And once you cut a bunch, it should look something like this. So once you cut all your straws, it should look something like this, and you'll need 12 in total to make this shape. So now take your gold paint and let's get started. So now it's time to spray paint, and make sure that you're doing this outside and on a cardboard because you don't want to make your grass gold, or maybe you do, it's up to you. But just make sure that you're doing this in a wide area because you don't want to breathe in the fumes, and make sure that the wind is blowing away from your house just in case you get something gold. And yeah, just do this until all of it is coated. So after letting your straws dry for a little bit, you're going to take your wire and you're going to take 3 straws to make the first triangle. So once you have it lined up, take your wire and you're just going to basically put the wire through the straw and connect all of them together. So this is the triangle, and the way that you wrap it is you wrap it under, over, to the left, to the right. Just basically secure it in place by going back and forth. Once it's secure, you can just cut off that extra wire. So just connect 2 more triangles to that triangle and you should come up with this, and then you're ready for the next step. So once you have the 3 triangles, just pop it up and then just take 1 more straw and connect it to make a square base. And you should already know how to connect it by now, so I'm just gonna speed this part up. So once you're done with that, you should end up with this pyramid shape, but we're not done yet. So just flip it over and you're basically gonna do the same exact step and just create a diamond. So the next DIY includes this tray. So I got this from Ben Franklin for $5.99 and I thought it would match perfectly with this DIY. So for this DIY, you're gonna need some paints, blue and green because I wanted to make mint green. So I'm just mixing that color now. A paintbrush, some string, your tray, and anything else you want to decorate your tray with. So once you get your perfect color, and this takes a lot of mixing, then just paint your tray. And I decided to paint my whole tray the same color and then just add the string on the handle part. So I'll speed up now. So once you're done painting the whole tray, I just decided to add some string to the handle part to make it a little bit more comfortable and easy to use. And so I'm just stringing this around the whole thing. So this is the final product, and I just combined both of my DIYs and created this little cute setup. And I think it's really cute just to put on like your table, your side table, or any table really. And you don't really have to use this for decorative things. You could use this for purposeful things, but I just chose to do it this way.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and feel inspired to do it yourself. And remember, if you guys want to try this DIY out, then use the hashtag geometric DIY. And yeah, use the hashtag geometric DIY and I can check it out. And if you decide to do the second DIY, which is the tray, the geometric tray, then use the hashtag geometric tray _21. Well, anyway, if you guys tried out any of these DIYs, then make sure to use the hashtags that I said before on Instagram and I'll check them out. And I also have a blog. I don't know if I mentioned it. I haven't mentioned it really on this channel, but I have a blog. It's interiorforless21@wordpress.com. So if you guys want to like get the steps and the materials and how much it costed me to do these projects, then you can check it out there. I recently like organized everything, so it's all set. And yeah, that's basically it. So I'll see you guys next week. Bye! There's a fly on my window. Get away! It doesn't want to go. Okay, do this again. Really? My mom's calling. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay. So yeah. Really, truck? Are you trucking kidding me? See what I did there? I'm not